Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl J Baby. So today's video is going to be a quick weave, y'all. I have not had a quick weave in my hair in so long, baby. And I think that it is time. So I am going to be using, first of all, I'm going to be using the Janet collection. Baby, I love the Janet collection. I just love their products. So with the Janet collection, they have the Melt Nuskin Invisible Lace 13 by 5 frontal part closures. Well, it's not a closure, it's a frontal, y'all. So they have the closure. You see the baby hairs, baby. The baby hairs is up there, and this is a whole big old frontal. Now this frontal right here is a 13 by 5 New Skin UHD closure straight. Oh, it is a closure straight 14-inch, and the color is natural black. Baby, this closure looks so good. Okay, it looks real good. 100% natural virgin Remy human hair with New Skin Invisible Lace frontal part. This is what she look like. She looks good. She looks so good. Oh, the hair is so soft. My goodness. You see her. Baby hair's on deck, okay? I also got the Janet Collection Melt Butter 100% natural virgin Remy human hair, the bundles. And I got it in a 26, a 28, and a 30. Baby, okay, we talking about way past true to the length. Okay, so this one right here is the 26. Let's move my hair. This is the 26, and this is coming all the way down here. That's the 26. This is the 28, and the 28 comes all the way down here. Now this is the 30, and the 30 comes all the way down there. 26, 28, and 30. So because it looks like this, you probably can see through it a little bit. So what I did was I have another pack, which is the same, 26, 28, and 30. So can you see it's going to be nice and full. Nice and full. And not to mention I have the closure. So let's go ahead on and get started. I am going to be using some bonding glues. I have 3 different ones, the Salon Pros, and I have the Even. So I'm going to be using them on my hair. And I'm also going to be using some of the, I should use some of the Escher, but I don't have any more left, girl, because I love the Escher so much. But I think I have an Escher spray, so let me go get that. And we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to go to take my hair down, and we're going to get started with this quick one. hair is in. Finally in. This is what it looks like. Well, I don't have all of the hair in, y'all, but it's big and thick, and I didn't want it to be sitting out there too much. So I got a lot of it pumped up here, and then I got some. I had to thin it out here. So because, baby, I can't have my hair wigs though. It's two-pack wigs, so I can't move. So I do have part of a 26 and part of a 28 left. So this is all I have left. All of my 30s are gone. I'm going to use the Got To Be Glued wax, spray wax. I'm going to use that. This spray wax is really good, y'all. I think I mentioned it before. And I think I'm going to wear maybe, what are you doing? I think I'm going to wear maybe a middle part. Okay, babe, so this is the finished look right here. This hair is just so gorgeous, y'all. These melt butter, the melt butter bundles. Actually, I forgot to tell y'all, this is 12A hair, y'all. And Look at this hair, how beautiful it is and long. It is just so gorgeous, y'all. Let me turn around. Let me move you back further. That way you can see. It reached me all the way down here, y'all. And the back. All the way. Tail length, y'all. Tail length. So, yes, this hair is so gorgeous. So, I am on my way out the door, y'all. And I will take pictures. I'm waiting for these curls to fall more and more. You know what I'm saying? Because I really don't like a curl. But this hair is so beautiful. And I will have everything that you need down in the description box, y'all. That way you can get your hands on this beautiful hair from the Janet collection. She is gorgeous, y'all. She is gorgeous. Look at her. How bouncy she is and how sexy she is. All right, y'all. So you already know. Everything you need will be down in the description box. If there is a coupon code, I will definitely be sure to give you a coupon code. And what else, y'all? Y'all, this right here is really good, which is the Escher Luxury Absolute. And this is the daily glueless. So it's daily. You can use this, but I use this with a combination of the Got To Be glue, y'all, and it is on. It feels amazing. So, thank you so much, Janet Collection, for sending me out this wonderful, beautiful hair. Y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. All right, be blessed and not stressed. Mwah.